Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a quick video on this Bio Gold Collagen eye mask. Now you would have seen this in my unboxing that I have done for one of the subscription box that I had received, and this came in that. It's the Mond um, collagen eye mask, and I'm gonna be going ahead and doing a review and demo of it. It's the first time that I'm using it. I have not used this before, and I've actually never used an eye mask so far. So I am really excited to use this and try it out. So let's go ahead and see how it works on our skin. Like you can see on the packaging, this claims to be hydrating, whitening, moisturizing, anti-wrinkle, and pore minimizer. It's very simple. All you need to do is just go ahead and make sure that you wash your face with warm water. I'm assuming the reason why it's asking us to use warm water is so that your pores can open up, and whatever serum or collagen is there on this eye mask will get absorbed under your eyes and your eye area. So let's go ahead and check out how this is. I'm going to go ahead and try this out now. This is really messy. All of the serum is like dripping out. I look like I'm going for a masquerade party. So it says leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes now, and I'm gonna go ahead and take off these eye masks now. It was so relaxing. Whether or not this works, at least I know that by using this I'll get to shut my eyes for 15 to 20 minutes and just do nothing and relax. So that way it was a good thing. Let's see how it works now. I feel like my eye area has been hydrated a little bit because it's feeling much softer. You will have to make sure that you are repeating this process probably at least twice a month, and then you should be able to see any visible reduction in the dark circles. Now I don't have much dark circles as of right now, so it's not really something that I'll be able to demonstrate for you guys. I still feel like my eye area has been much more hydrated than what it was. So that's about today's video. I hope you like watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead, and do take care of yourselves, and I will see you soon in my next video.